You can do it. Babe. Bruh.
We're always about that life.
Let me see. Show me that you're about that life. It's just a little jump.
That's not a little jump.
I did it. I landed right here. I jumped all the way to here. See my foot? I'm not gonna cap, babe. It got bigger. Bro, I gotta see this jump.
You guys, this was all Muhammad's idea.
I feel alive.
You feel alive, right?
Yeah,
I told
I
you.
feel super alive.
I told you.
Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu Akbar. You could have searched for 1,000 hours, wouldn't have made a change. You could have looked for 1,000 days and you would have stayed the same. It's only by the will of God that you're here today. Just remember who you are before you walk away. Stand on top of the mountains and take in the surroundings. Think of all of the blessings He gave, no point even counting. I made so many thousands and I gave it away to the poor. I'm just praying I'm making some more, cause I only wanna please my Lord. Allah is my witness and I know He's watching me for sure. I got rid of the interest, I ain't looking at waging a war. A lot of places that I haven't been yet and I really just wanna explore. But if I die tomorrow, hope I die with my head on the floor. Take me away from here, I've had enough of life. He made it way too clear, still they choose to deny. Running around in lost, chasing their own desire. Before the trumpet blows, save them from the fire. Allah Subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah Azza wa Jal. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah Allahu Akbar.
Assalamualaikum, you guys. Oh my god, it's been a really long time. Too long. Been on like so many trips. I've been really busy being a wife, a mom, cleaning and cooking, taking care of my mental, physical, spiritual, just being a human. So it's just like as you guys can see, I was just like cleaning up, doing everything that I need to do around the house. I'm about to go drop my husband off his breakfast. It's 8:47 in the morning. I'm gonna go help him out at the shop a little bit, and then we're going to go a little shopping. I kind of want to go into Target. I need some hygiene stuff. Then I need to go get hair products from a beauty supply place. And then after that, I might look for a couple of outfits. Feel like I just need breathable material. Looking for just dresses, long shirts, white pants. But let's go have some fun.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place. stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be what hell is like. There's got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. Nirvana's not, it's advertised. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, if karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward?
Finally leaving Target after being in here for about like 45 minutes, and I only got about like 5 items. Target is not my best friend, but it's my best friend. Every heart. Now let's speed off. I'm playing. Chill, bruh, chill. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like I've been out the house all day. It is 12 o'clock. Where's my phone? Hey Siri.
The good, young and poor, I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome, all I see is terrible, making us hysterical.
So we have a few spices here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different spices. This looks so pretty. I don't even want to mess it up. Look at it. It's so cute.
Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh.
Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, baby. Period. All right, so that's done. And then I also made a dessert. You guys, I had to like switch up my outfit. I gotta get cute, you know. Husband on his way back home. I don't want to be like sweaty and not looking cute, you know. So there is cream cheese in here. So this is how it looks when it's fully done. And this is how it looks before it gets baked. It's all doughy. Mastered how to make these because my husband, he loves it. So I want to make sure that I keep these on the table for him. It's like a little snack. Like I said, it's a dessert, but he loves it. So just want to make sure they're done. Comes, grabs it, sits down at the table and just snacks on it. I was supposed to say my TV just cut off. But I'm going to go ahead and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is literally the next day. Oh my, we have so much to do today. I actually need to go to Barnes & Noble so I can get this book. I'm dying to read right now. I hate wasting water while like washing my face or exfoliating it, brushing my teeth. Let me turn the light on, it's a little dark. Hello, hello, hello. Okay, the girl is ready. Outfit check. All right, you guys, so we have the husband's lunch ready. It is 10:44. I'm about to go run this up there to him, and then we're gonna go to the bookstore today, inshallah. I'm going to go get my nails done. As I've stated, they need to be redone. I've had these for a little bit. Like, as you guys can see, my nails need to be refilled. Like, these, not okay. Let's get going. Well, today, alhamdulillah, it's not as hot. It's really pretty today. Okay, it's a bit hot in the car, but I'm okay. Alhamdulillah. You guys, I'm really feeling this makeup look. Like, it's not even a lot. Like, it's literally eyelashes. Why am I yelling at y'all? AC going. Literally in the back of the store right now. When I want free drinks, I just come in here. Peach mango is my favorite. I love drinking it. It's my favorite, hands down. All right, and when I come into my husband's shop, I always like to get all the snacks. Just really like craving everything underneath the sun right now. I want something salty, but I also want something sweet. I don't want hot fries. I'm not a hot fry girl anymore. Any, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, I wish they had the hot Lays. The hot Lays is it, y'all. All right, you guys, so we do have a winner. We're gonna go for the Ruffles Flamin' Hot Barbecue Chips. I wanna see how this tastes. I've never tried this before, so let's give it a go. All right, you guys, so we're finally at Barnes & Noble. Let's do some walking around. Let's go see what they have for the kids. I love the kids section. I actually had a book here the other day. I'm sure it's gone. No, it's still here. Crazy. This is marketing. Literally the page that I left off from. So this is the inspo I'm going for.
Yeah. A number of books might be a better match. Do you have these options, and I can pull some more for you. All right, it's gonna be $122.
Yeah, I can draw. Oh my gosh, you guys, it literally took me 2 hours inside the nail salon. Good afternoon, you guys. We are finally home after a very, 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 very long day. I am not used to being out of the house from 8, 10 into like 6:36 in the afternoon. Let's make the most out of this Friday morning. We have a lot to do today. Like, a lot. I tell you, mate, let's go. Hello, you guys. I am ready. I'm out of the house. I've literally been driving for about like 35 minutes. We have 19 minutes left. And so I had to just pause interacting with customers and everything like that. So I've been pretty busy. I need to put some lipstick on. Look at that. I look beat up. Do I want to put some lip liner on? Nah, I'm okay. I don't think I need it. Finally, I'm back in the car, you guys. I am so exhausted. We still have a lot to do today. It is 5:09 in the afternoon.